Hey dental fans, Dr. Rich here. In today's video, I'm going to unbox a Fairywill D7 Electric Toothbrush and give you my first impressions of it. The toothbrush itself is available on Amazon and it retails for $25.99. If you want to check it out, I'm going to leave a link to it down in the description below. So Fairywill sent me this D7 electric toothbrush and asked me to review it on my YouTube channel. I'm not sponsored by them in any other way, and they're not being paid for this review, other than they sent me the toothbrush for free. All right, so now let's get to the unboxing. So here's the box that it comes in. As you can see, it's got the ADA seal of approval. It's got a built-in smart timer. It's got 5 optional modes. It's a long standby period and a fast sustained charge. So let's open her up and see what's inside. All right, so let's see. Comes packaged. Comes with an instruction manual. I'll take a look at that before I start using it. Comes with a USB charging cord. You can even have get a coupon and a free trial product. The QR code. And you can, it gives them all their contact information, their website, their email, Facebook, Instagram. And it shows a bunch of other toothbrushes that they offer. Okay, let's see, in the package, we got the toothbrush itself. Let's open this up. It's made of plastic. Comes with a little plastic cover for the bristles to protect them. See if there's any charge in the battery. Ah, there it is. Sonic, it's a vibrating action toothbrush. It's got different modes. Let's see, that's white. Let's see if I can figure this out. It's clean, it's a little bit lower power. Sensitive, I think that's a little lower. And and then polish. That's a really strong vibration. I can really feel it on my fingers. Very cool. And it looks like, let's see what it comes. It's got some extra heads. This is just the same head that's on the toothbrush, it looks like. Let's see what the next one is. This one's got a little bit different colored bristles. Just a touch, that one feels maybe a tad stiffer compared to the blue bristle. Yeah, definitely a tad stiffer. So you got 2 gentler bristles and then a little bit, maybe a medium. So these I would guess would be soft. This one would be a medium. And a replacement head sharing gift. Thank you for leaving your honest review. Awesome. Let's see what's in here. And it's one of the soft bristle heads. The bags are labeled soft bristle, and the yellow one was a hard bristle. Alrighty. Awesome. I am going to charge this up. I'm going to take a look through the owner's manual, the instruction booklet, to make sure I can figure out exactly how to change from setting to setting. And then I'm going to give it start using it, and after about a week I'm going to let you know what I think of it. I'm going to make a review video of it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.